In this video, we will install an essential mod your GX460 needs in order to safely cross a body of water. Let's start by removing the spare tire if you have one. This gives us more room to work underneath. With the spare tire removed, you want to now crawl under your vehicle and locate your OEM rear differential breather. Using a 14mm wrench, you want to loosen your OEM breather. Once fully removed, you want to now take the included breather in the kit and install it. Don't forget to give it a little coat of your favorite gasket sealant. Now you want to hand tighten the breather, and then using a 14mm wrench, tighten it until it's snug. Alright, for the next step, we're gonna have to remove all these screws that hold the fender in place. Next, we want to assemble the breather kit. Take the hose clamp and put it onto the hose. Add some lube onto the breather. Make sure you don't put too much, but just enough for you to easily slip it onto the hose. Using a flathead screwdriver, tighten the hose clamp. Alrighty, the top of your breather kit should look a little something like this. With the fender removed, we now have enough space to firmly zip tie the top of our breather next to the fuel door. Please note, you shouldn't cross any body of water that's above the top of your tire. Now we want to zip tie the rest of the breather tube, and don't forget to give it some slack. Now let's add another hose clamp and install this onto your new differential breather. We might need to use a little bit of lube to get the breather tube onto the breather itself, but it should all bind nicely. And then to finish off this install, you just need to tighten the hose clamp with a flathead, and then there you have it. This kit is now available on my website, which you can find via the link in the description. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, send me a DM, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.